Hello to everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the topic of addressing modes. Okay, before going to the types, now let us see the definition of addressing modes. Okay, addressing modes is nothing but in how many ways a processor can access a data. Okay, that is the different ways of specifying the data or operand in an instruction is known as addressing modes. Okay, and they are classified into 7 categories. They are direct addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, base plus index addressing mode, register relative addressing mode, base plus index register relative addressing mode. Okay, now let us see in detail about the each addressing modes. Okay, first one is direct addressing mode. Okay, in this mode, the 16-bit offset address is directly specified as a part of the instruction. Okay, that is in the instruction itself, we can specify the offset address directly. Okay, then that type of addressing mode is known as the direct addressing mode. Okay, see the example, move of 4625H square bracket comma dx. What we have to do here means we have to move the content of dx register to the memory location whose address is calculated by using this offset address 4625H and data segment register. Okay, this is given below, that is dl is equal to ds multiplication with 10h plus 4625h. Okay, that is lower order is stored in the lower memory location and higher order dh is stored in the higher memory location. ds multiplication with 10h plus 4625h plus 1 is equal to dh. Okay, then we move on to next addressing mode, immediate addressing mode. Okay, in immediate addressing mode, if one of the operand is a part of the instruction means, then that addressing mode is known as the immediate addressing mode. Okay, that is in the instruction itself we can able to give the 8-bit data or 16-bit data directly. Okay, see the example, move cx comma 2346h. Okay, here what we have to do, we have to move the content, that is 16-bit data 2346h to the cx register. Okay, see the next example, sub of al comma 24h. Okay, what is the operation taken place here means the content is present in the al register. Okay, now what we have to do means we have to subtract 24h from the content of al register and then the result is again stored in the al register. Okay, then next instruction in addressing mode is register addressing mode. Okay, what is meant by register addressing mode means when both the destination and source operands resides in a register, then that addressing mode is known as the register addressing mode. Okay, that is both the operands can be directly specified in register only. Okay, not directly, it must be given in register only, then that addressing mode is known as a register addressing mode. See the example, move ax comma bx. In this example, the content of bx register is moved to the ax register. See the next example, und of al comma bl. What we have to do, we have to und the content of al register and the content of bl register and the resultant content is stored in the al register. Okay, and the next addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. Okay, in this addressing mode, the offset address is specified through the pointer register or index register. That is, the pointer registers or base pointer or base register. Then what is the index register? Source index or destination index registers. Okay, all are 16-bit registers. Okay, they can be used to tell about the offset address. In this type of addressing mode, the offset address is not directly given, it is specified in the registers. Okay, so they are called as register indirect addressing mode. Okay, see the example, move al comma square bracket of bx. Okay, that is the bx register contains the offset address. Okay, and by using this offset address we have to calculate the physical address. Okay, and from this physical address we have to move the data from this physical location, physical address to the AL register. Okay, this is the operation taken place in this instruction. Okay, that is move of AL comma square bracket of BX means the memory location is calculated by using this register, that is BX register, okay, and the data segment register. Okay, then the next addressing mode is base plus index addressing mode. Okay, in this mode both base register and index register are used to indirectly address the memory location. Okay, that is the direct memory locations are not given in the instruction, that is the physical or offset address are not directly given in the instruction. Okay, they are specified in base register plus index register. Okay, base plus index means it is a combination of base register as well as the index register. Okay, see the example, move of square bracket bx plus di comma al. Okay, here what is the operation taken place means we have to move the content of AL register to the memory location whose address is calculated by using the data segment register and base register and destination index register. Okay, it is specified below, that is AL means DS multiplication with 10H plus BX plus DI. Okay, then the next addressing mode is register relative addressing mode. Okay, relative specifies the displacement. Okay, then whenever you are seeing relative means we have to put the displacement. Okay, then what is meant by register? We can able to use either a pointer type of registers or index type of registers. Okay, that is specified in the definition. Okay, the offset is calculated using either a base register or index register and the displacement specified as an 8-bit or 16-bit number. Okay, as a part of the instruction means then that addressing mode is named as relative addressing mode. Okay, see the example, move of AX comma DI plus 06. Okay, here 06 is the 8-bit data used as a displacement. Okay, we can also use a 16-bit data. Okay, here what is the operation taken place means the memory location is calculated by using the data segment register and the destination index register plus the displacement. Okay, destination index always gives the offset address, so offset address plus 6 number. Okay, then it is added with data segment register address multiplication with 10H, that gives the AL. Okay, similarly higher order byte is stored in the higher order memory location. Okay, then the last one is base plus index register relative addressing mode. Okay, as the name itself indicates, it is a combination of base registers and index registers and then relative displacement. Okay, that is specified in the definition. It is a combination of base plus index register addressing mode and register relative addressing mode. Okay, to find the address we have to use the base register, index register and the displacement field. Okay, see the example, move of bx plus di plus 2 square bracket comma cl. Okay, always the square bracket indicates the memory location. What we have to do in this instruction means we have to move the content of CL register to the memory location whose address is calculated by using the data segment register and the base register and the destination index register plus the displacement field 2. Okay, this is the normal operation of this instruction. Okay, that's all about the addressing modes of 8086 microprocessor. Okay, thank you.